This is my favorite car to clean. Let's talk about it. Do you like to go to the car wash or do you like your car to be washed by someone else? Well, the best thing that you can do for your car is wash it yourself. Okay, just to let you in a few secrets if you already don't know, this is my favorite car to drive because it goes so fast and it's easy to wash. I spend less time on washing this car and driving more fast. Okay, let's talk about it. Now, listen here. From the longest time that I can remember, I always washed my own car. Every blue moon, I will go to a car wash, but I prefer to do it myself. And because of that, I'm responsible to wash 3 cars, and this is one of them. This car right here is a Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. The engine is powerful. So you better drive it slow like you're on a yacht. But anyway, how do I keep all 3 cars clean? Really simple. Believe it or not, I had to wash this same car twice in the same day because after I washed it, I decided to sit underneath a shade tree and I got a little bit more than shade. Okay. So now this is my favorite car to wash because usually it takes about $4 to wash a car, but this car is $3. The most important thing that you could do for your car, soap, rinse, spot free. Never ever use the brush at a self car wash unless your car is just already damaged and you wanted more damage. But this is my favorite car to wash. I just take 3 minutes. I make sure I wash it off. I make sure it's nice and clean. And my favorite part is to dry it off with soft cloths. Now, these are my favorite cloths. They're yellow. There's some that comes in blue, white, different colors, but these are my favorite. You can go get them at Costco's and they will last you forever. But in the meantime, this is my favorite car to clean because I don't have to, with the 4Runner, I have to like jump up high to get to the roof. This one, I can see everything. It's easy to just wipe off. Just keep it clean. Now, this car is 100% of the time covered, parked, and not being used. But when you drive a car like this, you gotta, charge it up. So maybe once a month, you gotta take it out, run that engine, get it pumped up. You don't want the battery to die. So my responsibility is to take the car, take it out for a nice 20-minute spin, get it all nice and clean, put gas in it, make it smell good inside and out. Yes, inside and out. Because you can smell when a car has been wiped down. And I return it back to the owner. And then they say, do you want to take out the other car? And I'm like, of course. What is that? The 4Runner TRD Pro? I'm on my way. But let me explain to you. I don't use a professional, and I should after 3 years or 4 years. But the best thing that you could do for your car is keep it clean. Wash it weekly, once a week, twice a week, because in the heat, you don't want the bird poop to ruin the paint. And on top of that, your car must be clean inside. I mean, everything out of your car. No books, no shoes, no combs, every single thing out of your car. Because when you get ready to trade that car in, you want to get as much money as you can. So if you take care of the car, then people will recognize it by keeping it clean. And that keeps it free from lint, debris. So I believe for safety reasons, for security reasons, never ever leave anything inside your car. You can have gloves, you can have glasses in the console, but make sure you keep everything out of your car. The only thing that should be in your trunk is what your car is using. Tire shine, Windex, maybe a paper towel, maybe a spare tire. Just those are the basics. My cars are always showroom ready, inside and out. So the moment that you get into this car, it not only smells good, it looks good, and it looks like somebody been up on the upkeep. So that's pretty much my little service. I love to take care of a clean car. I love to take care of a dirty car. So I'm responsible for 3 cars. So that's the RAV4. I wash once a week. The Dodge Challenger, which you're looking at right in front of me, once a week, or maybe twice a week, give or take. And then the 4Runner, I try to clean it twice a week. But all I'm doing is looking for scratches, bird poop, cracks on the windows. I'm just definitely making sure the car stays clean, and anything that's on it, whether if it's been a rock that hit it, I just mind the car and make sure if it needs a little upkeep, I can take care of it. But I absolutely adore washing cars. I absolutely love cleaning. It's the best thing that I can do. And keeping the cars clean, it just makes me feel good because, when you're driving, you want to keep your car clean. And when is the last time you cleaned your engine? Do you know how much buildup you get inside your engine? And if you don't want to do that, go find a car detail. I mean, you can go find them for $89, maybe $105, maybe $250. You can just go get your car washed and make sure it's up to date on the cleaning parts, because when you're ready to trade that car in, maybe 3 years, maybe 4, they can tell if you've been taking care of your car. So this is me, just so happens to be responsible for this car. My responsibility is to make sure that it stays clean, it has gas in the car that I'm not paying for, and that I bring it back and I cover it up with a cover. So if you live in a garage, maybe you don't need a cover, but it's basically really good if you can cover your car, put it in a garage, or if you have it on the street, make sure that you're washing it once a week. I mean, really, don't you like a clean car? You can tell a lot about a person in their car. If you get into a person's car repeatedly and it's always full of fast food junk and trash and clutter and purses and look like they have never ever vacuumed, that's a problem for me, because I'm thinking, what else are you, not doing? But number one, just like taking a bath, you take a bath once a day, I hope. You should be cleaning your car once a week. Because if somebody wants to take anything out of your car, the first thing that they're going to do is look at the car. And if the car is clean, they're going to look inside and realize you did not leave a laptop in there. You didn't leave a camera. You didn't leave no money. All you left is the car clean. That's what I'm talking about. So this is me just cleaning the car. It's about a $4 car wash. Back in the day, I was going to, this car was going to a professional car wash, and they were charging $44, not including a tip, but they were definitely charging money to clean the car. So instead of me spending $44 plus tip, right? That's the owner was going to the car wash. They was like, hey, you can wash my car. And I'm like, of course I can. For $4, yeah. It's $3 to wash the car, $1 to vacuum, and you're done. And if you want to get a little bit expertise in your vacuum, always grab some brushes, brushes to clean the air conditioner filters, clean the top of your car. There's debris, everything. Sometimes you can just brush off the dirt that the vacuum can't get. So if you can do that, that would be absolutely wise. And make sure you're vacuuming out your car every time you go to the car wash, because you don't want debris, hairs, cat hairs, dog hairs, whatever's in your car, French fries, because sometimes you drop the French fries right in the middle of your seat, and that French fry smell can eventually cook itself and kind of make the car smell bad. So keep out the little French fries and the crumbs and the chips by vacuuming out your car on a daily basis. You said daily? Yeah, you can go get your own vacuum on Amazon and keep it in your car. So whenever you need to vacuum, instead of going to the car wash, you can just do it yourself. I have one, but I don't really use it because, I don't know, I have one just in case, because I'm always at the beach and sometimes there's so much sand, it's easy for me to have a little self vacuum and get the job done. But I just wanted to share to you how important it is to keep your car clean. It's not only important because you want to keep the value of your car. You don't want it to depreciate. You want to keep it nice and clean just in case you want to turn it in. You want to keep it nice and clean and free of anything inside of your car because most people, for security reasons, they're looking inside your car. If it's clean, they're going to go to the next car that's dirty, that has all that junk in it, thinking they're going to find something, and they're not. So definitely soap, water, spot-free rinse, a vacuum, and a soft yellow cloth dry towel just to make sure it shines. Now, this car probably needs a wax, a ceramic. It probably needs a lot, but it hasn't had it. This is a 2018 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack with a really nice V8 engine, and it is beautiful. The color is underground. I have been cleaning this car since 2000. I'm going to go with 2018 or 19. Me, my own hands. So look how good it looks. Look, it looks good. Now, there might be a scratch or two on it, but I'm keeping it clean, and I'm definitely making sure that there's nothing left in the car, so it always looks showroom ready. This car, I get so many compliments on it because, I don't know, it looks like a Hellcat, it drives fast, it looks good. This is my roller coaster. I am not going to Disneyland, Magic Mountain, Knoxbury Farms. I'm not going to no swimming pool park. I'm not doing that. I'm going to jump in this right here, and I'm going to slide down some freeways. I'm going to slide down some highways, and I'm going to do it again. This is the best investment I can get because when you go to Disneyland, you get on the rides, you come home, and you don't have a ride. When I jump in this car, I have a ride, and when I come back, I have a ride. So this is my favorite car to drive. The sound system is nice, but it has like a boom, 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 boom. But anyway, I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm just telling you, if I'm taking care of 3 cars, washing 3 cars once a week, I'm a car wash girl. And I like to get in other people's cars and expect that their car is clean too. So are you keeping a clean car? Like, how clean is your car? On a scale through 1 through 3, 1 being that your car is ready to be sold. Let's go with 1. But I have a feeling that some of the cars are looking like a 3, not so clean. Well, by the time this video is over, go get up and take your car to a car wash and see if you have bird poop in there. See if you have any debris in the back. Just go take care of your car. You don't have to drive a Dodge Challenger. I almost started to drive off, and then I was like, wait, you was going to leave the camera? I thought you was telling a story about how to clean a car. Anyway, I hope your car is clean. Bye.